So hey guys, tada! So this is my diary in which I make to-do list for days, and these are my books, like all of just messy here, but yeah, it's okay. I have to clean this. So I am started with the history, and it is very very important because history consumes my lot time. So yeah, let's clean this book stuff at a corner and start with history. Let's start. So guys, you can see the today's weather. So right now it was so sunny outside, like so much. Even I could not even able to go outside. It's so much hot. And right now I'm studying inside my room, and I'm going with Paul Science. So yeah, and I'm done with my first chapter of this book, and I'm going to revise that first chapter because revision is very very important. Whatever you learn, if you don't revise, then all of is waste because you're not able to remember it for the main purpose. So yeah, let's start revising the first chapter.